Welcome back, guys. We are getting baby Zakaya dressed to meet Big Brother Alien. So my mom is on her way over right now to bring Alien because he's been at her house. We just got home like an hour ago.
Only a
So
couple days?
yeah, Alien's been over there a couple days. So we're getting him dressed. As soon as he's dressed, I will show you guys his outfit because it's really cute.
Sounds good.
And say my head is very little, but we tried the hat and it's kind of cute. Do you think that's funny? Do you think that's funny? So he says going home to meet his best friend. He's here and he's waiting for his bestie.
Who's his bestie?
Alien, are you ready to meet Alien? All right, so we're setting him on the couch right there. We're gonna sit on the ground. And I highly doubt Alien will find him up on the couch. But just in case. Oh. Hello, hi babies. Hi. If he notices the baby, I want it on film, so I don't know if you're... Well.
No,
Well, he notices us, so that's good. Come on, babe. Who's that? Oh, that's so nice. Did you give him kisses? Okay. That was it? You gave him kisses and he good? Come on. Come here. Come here, Alien. Come on. Come here. You don't know what to think, do you? Come here. There's so many people, I know. Oh, what is that? Oh, cleaning his ears? Is that brother? See, there's two of us now. All right, well, that was pretty good.
Good
You
job.
did good. Good job, Alien.
Don't jump.
All right, first official night was a little bit rougher
You did good.
than intended.
I kind of slacked.
That's okay. I was up till 4 with the baby. I don't know what. I think he just has an upset stomach. So it was a little bit of a rough time getting him to sleep. Yeah, we did find out he likes a pacifier. We were trying to avoid that, but that's okay. Anyways, Alien, on the other hand,
He's getting there.
he's trying to figure it out. He definitely doesn't like the crying. He thinks something's really wrong. So
Makes sense.
he goes into attack mode or protector mode. I don't know what you want to call it. So, but
Protector.
anyways, we are going to try our first walk with Alien. Alien, you want to go for a walk?
First, we walked the alien before.
Our first walk with Alien and the baby. We will go get the baby and do our first walk.
Sounds good.
Here we go.
Can't wait.
Me either. You ready? Should we take baby for a walk? You want to take baby for a walk?
Yes. We're all ready.
Baby's ready. He's doing good.
I just hook it like that.
Grandma got us balloons.
First walk.
Alien's not bothered at all.
He's just glad to be out.
This isn't too bad. I think we could walk more than 3 houses.
Take it easy, babe. You don't know.
My boys are all so precious. All 3 of them.
You're in a man's house now.
It's true.
Boy's house.
Alien is pulling me. Like, come on, girlfriend. All right, we have our first doctor's appointment. Papa put baby in the car seat for the first time. Alien doesn't want us to leave.
It's okay.
Are you ready for our first doctor's appointment?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right, we have our first doctor's appointment today for the little one. Sorry, this vlog is kind of all over the place. We went for a walk yesterday and then, just did the rest of the day. But last night was 100 times better. Our second night at home. So let's head off to his doctor's appointment.
Let's go.
He's ready.
Come those feet. First time driving the baby. How's it feel?
It feels like I am so panicked. I don't know, like every little bump, I'm like, okay, he's good. But he's great. He's like sound asleep. He's like, not a problem. So, just,
Nope.
I am not going over the speed limit. I'm barely going the speed limit. Like,
And he's just chilling.
he's just so content. He is a very good baby.
You're just gonna have to get used to him screaming when you're driving.
Why?
Sure, it'll happen.
It'll happen at some point, but yeah.
Love you.
I love you.
Going.
We make cute babies. Let's make 10 more.
No.
Yes. We're at his doctor's appointment. He weighed in at 704.
0.4, yeah, something like that.
7.4, which, so he's lost a little bit because he was 714 at the hospital. But he's perfect. We're waiting for the doctor, so he's all naked over here. Good little boy.
Little cutie.
Mm-hmm.
You're cute too.
Thank you. He's cuter.
True.
Yeah. He did so good at his first doctor's appointment. He gets a donut.
Can the baby have donuts?
Sure. Just kidding. Anyways, we're going shopping and
This is his first shopping trip.
yeah, his first shopping trip.
Loves it. Look at him.
He's so cute. Okay, let's go. He did fabulous. Only got the essentials.
Ice cream. Donuts.
Ice cream, donuts. We got this. He's doing great.
Now where to?
Now to home. Let's go.
Been approved.
Baby's first car wash. So I never posted. We got a new car. I never posted that vlog. But anyways, now I have an obsession with going to the car wash 24/7. So here we are. Perfect. Now we can go home.
It's a beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it, Mr. Zakaya.